Our topic is how coal, oil, and natural gases were formed, their uses, and their hidden connection. What if I told you the fuel in your car and the gas in your kitchen are actually ancient sunlight stored for millions of years? Long before humans existed, tiny plants, algae, and microorganisms captured sunlight through photosynthesis. They stored that energy inside their bodies. When they died, they didn't just disappear, they settled in swamps, rivers, lakes, and ancient oceans. Layer by layer, they were buried under mud and sand, cut off from oxygen. Then came time, immense heat and pressure, acting silently over millions of years, transforming their buried life into fossil fuel. Coal formed mainly from the ancient land plants, dense swamp forests where plant material piled up, first becoming peat, then lignite, then bituminous gold, and finally anthracite, the hardest and most energy rich form. But under the oceans, a different process. Microscopic marine life, plankton, and algae were buried deep beneath the seabed. With heat and pressure, they turned into hydrocarbons. Liquid hydrocarbons became crude oil. Lighter gaseous hydrocarbons become natural gas. And because gas is lighter, it rises above oil, trapped in underground reservoirs. Now look at their power in our daily life. Coal drives electricity generation, steel making, cement, and heavy industry. Crude oil is refined into petrol, diesel, jet fuel, kerosene, lubricants, plastics, and countless chemicals. Natural gas fuels cooking, heating, electricity, fertilizer production, and cleaner industrial energy. Compared to the coal and oil, natural gas burns more cleanly, producing less pollution and less carbon dioxide. Now comes the fascinating fact. These fuels can transform into each other. Coal can be converted into liquid fuel using coal to liquid technology. Natural gas can become diesel and chemicals through gas to liquid processes. Oil can be cracked, reformed, and refined into gases, fuels, and petrochemicals. Because at their core, they are all made of same elements, carbon and hydrogen. But here is the reality we cannot ignore. These fuels take millions of years to form, yet we are consuming them in just a few decades, releasing massive carbon dioxide, driving climate change, air pollution, and environmental damage. That's why the world is shifting towards renewable energy, solar, wind, and green hydrogen. So remember this, coal, oil, and natural gas are not just fuels, they are ancient sunlight locked inside the earth. And how we use them today will shape the future of humanity.